Hey everybody, welcome back to another Krita tutorial. Today we're going to continue with our assistant tool series and we're going to continue with the spline tool. So real quick, I'm going to go to the assistant tool option over here, go to tool options, and make sure to go down to spline. So real quick, we're going to make 2 points and then we're going to make 2 more points. And those second 2 points, or those next 2 points, are going to control the curvature of your spline. So you can actually go ahead and make this however curvy, weird shape you want. So if we were to go to our brush tool and hit snap to assistance, and put this on a new layer and make this purple so we can see it. You can see how I'm drawing along this curve. And this is pretty nice because if you have a very specific shape you would like to get, like make sure, or for example, we'll just go to the hand here. Gonna modify this. Let's say I just really like the overall shape that I made for the part of this thumb. And I can just get that real easy without much effort. Or if I want to work on this bowl here, get a nice curved shape for the bottom. You can also do that. And because this is allowing me to have my brush sensitivity or the pen pressure, I can make it a thin to thick line, I can make it a very thin line, I can make it just, you know, whatever I want. Alright, so if you don't have a pen sensitive or pressure sensitive tablet or anything like that, you just have like a mouse, what you can do is go to your brush settings. You can go ahead and mess with these settings here, like distance and drawing angle, to try and modify like the thickness of the line, how that's going to look over time. Let's see here. It's going to take a little bit of maneuvering. There's a little bit of time to play with like the settings, what's going to work for you, what may not work. All right, this isn't perfect, but just for the sake of the tutorial, we're just gonna leave it like that. So I'm gonna start around the middle here. Don't have anything there. There we go. So starting from the top, I'm not entirely sure why it's doing that, but it is. I think this is the beginning of the spline. So starting from the first point, I can move my mouse down. You can see it's getting progressively bigger, the stroke. And then if I go from the bottom up, it's just staying the same size. So if I were to make another spline here, so this is the first, second point, move this here, move that there, go to my brush tool, start from the end. Yeah, it's just got a little bit of wonkiness to it, but with a little bit of fine tuning, you can get it to how you want with the mouse. That's really it for the spline tool. There aren't any like special options with this except changing the color, all that good stuff. It is definitely helpful for, especially if you're doing more hard surface shapes like rounded things, and making sure it looks like a nice smooth line. So yeah, that's really it for the spline tool. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I did make sure to go over what it was like with the mouse and a pen or a pressure sensitive tablet. If that helped you, let me know. If you still have questions about it, I'll try and make a follow-up video for it. And just let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next tutorial, and I will see you then.